People have always wanted to imitate nature, its beauty, its balance, and its versatility. At ReSound, that's exactly how we design hearing instruments, with respect for nature's own design choices. Now, hearing like second nature is here in ReSound Verso. ReSound Verso features breakthrough binaural fusion technology, the only true support for binaural processing. It empowers users to navigate any environment and to tune in to what they want to hear. ReSound Verso makes hearing feel instinctive again. ReSound introduces Binaural Fusion to take the surround sound by ReSound experience to a whole new level. Using a 2.4 GHz wireless device-to-device communication, Binaural Fusion lets the hearing instruments work seamlessly as one system. It supports the user's interpretation of sounds and empowers them to decide what to focus on. Binaural directionality dynamically analyzes the sound environment and seamlessly makes the necessary microphone changes to get clear speech understanding, plus a natural sense of the surroundings. The new Binaural Environmental Optimizer 2 constantly balances sound input and automatically applies the optimal noise reduction and gain settings for audibility and comfort in every type of sound environment. Together, these binaural fusion technologies provide balanced and accurate audio input so users get clear speech understanding and full awareness in all situations. That is true support for binaural processing, for a listening experience like second nature. In ReSound Verso, we've once again optimized our market-leading feedback suppression system, DFS Ultra 2. The new music mode setting accurately preserves music, so music is heard as it was meant to be. On the phone, the user will experience vocal quality and clarity like never before. The unique Comfort Phone feature automatically adjusts settings in both devices, so users can focus fully on their phone conversations and still be aware of what's going on around them. Whatever the hearing loss or customer style preference, ReSound Verso gives users a complete, tailor-made hearing solution. Choose from the ultra-cosmetic IIC to the top-performing high-power BTE. And with ReSound Unite, the market's best wireless accessories, it's easy for users to connect to all the good things in life. ReSound Verso, for a hearing experience like second nature.